What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's M. Williams, Sugar Salon TV. Let's make a wig, and while you guys watch me make this wig, I'm going to be giving you some hair care tips on natural hair and relaxed hair. So natural hair, for you naturalistas who are chemical free, you want to just make sure that you always add moisture and hydrate your hair. Natural hair is always sometimes lacking with the moisture and the hydration. So when you buy your products, you want to make sure the products say on the label that it hydrates and moisturizes. You also want to add steam hydration to your treatments. You want to get your deep treatments at least every month and a half, 2 months. And when you do get your deep treatments, make sure you get them under the steam hydration. Steam hydration is everything. It adds moisture from the inside out. It opens up your hair's cuticle layer and allow the products to go within the cuticle layer, which is excellent for the hair. You also want to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And that will help your hair not to be so dry as well. So make sure you up your water intake if you're not already doing that. If you just don't like water, you hate water, you don't like because it's so bland, then you can infuse your water with cucumbers, kale, strawberries, lemons, limes, some type of fruit that you like, and just infuse your water with it so that it'll have a flavor to it and you will drink more water. Also, multivitamins is excellent for the hair. Not hair, skin, and nail vitamins, but multivitamins is what I recommend because that will give you all the supplements that your body needs. You also want to eat healthy, eat your fruits, eat your vegetables. You also want to remain stress-free because if you're stressed out, then your hair will know it and your hair will start to shed and break off. So to keep the stress at bay, you want to read a book, listen to your favorite music, listen to jazz, or you can listen to some spa music, which will relax you. You can also watch a movie, or you can walk, or you can go to the gym. All of those things will help keep your stress level down, keep your blood pressure down, and help your hair to be healthy as well. If you have relaxed hair, your hair also needs to be moisturized and hydrated as well. You want to make sure you don't overdo it with getting your relaxers too soon. I will recommend every 2 months, but if you don't have any new growth within 2 months, then just wait till you get some new growth. And then also for the naturalistas, you want to make sure you don't do a lot of silk presses. Do some natural hairstyles. Don't do so many silk presses all the time because the heat from the silk presses will help dry the hair out as well. So pretty much the same with the naturalistas. If you have relaxed hair, you want to make sure you drink your water, 8 glasses a day. You want to make sure you stay stress-free by going to the gym, reading a book, listening to jazz, or listening to relaxation music or spa music to calm you. Make sure your blood pressure isn't high. You guys, all of this stuff affects your hair. Whatever is going on internal, it's not just external, but what is going on internally, like stress and anything else going on internal with you, like if you're taking medications and stuff, all of this will affect your hair, whether you have natural hair, relaxed hair, color-treated hair, kinky hair, straight hair, no matter what type of hair you have. All of these things can affect your hair if you don't do your due diligence. So take a multivitamin daily, up your water intake, do what you can to keep your stress at bay, like working out, walking, reading a book. Even at break, when you're at break time, just do a 15-minute walk, or read a book, or just relax, close your eyes, just meditate. Anything to keep your blood pressure and your stress down. And healthy eating is excellent for hair too, like eating your fruits and your vegetables, as I mentioned. Don't eat so many sweets. And stay up on your health as well. Do your doctor visits and just do your due diligence. Anyway, you guys, I hope these tips have helped. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and see you soon.